Record. Okay. All right. So Liu, thank you for your submission. Okay. This time I see your content a bit improving. Okay, you try to follow the template, but it's not 100% followed. Okay, just still okay the content, but still have many parts to improve. Can you tell that one first, Dr. O?
OK，六Dr. Lina 讲你已经把那个 template把它放进去template，但是还是可能有些地方还是呃不大跟那个 template 所要求的，所以可能你要再看一看哪里不一样的，你再改进一点。然后他也看了你的内容，他也觉得有需要改进啦，然后现在他要告诉你的哪里需要改进的。
Clear?
OK，Dr. Lin。
Right. Okay. So Liu, I already give a comment in your chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Okay, so here for the research background, I commented here like it will be great if you have some statistical data for this research topic so that it's more clear to highlight about the recent scenario on this topic. Is it okay? To inform him?
Dr. Lina 是讲这些它的内容已经有了，如果你可以再加一些数据上的资料，可能会更帮助一点点。明白吗，刘？
Okay, Liu?
就可能有一些我看一
You,
看
you may find I believe China, I'm not sure China have the nation data, statistical data or not for the government, for the country to highlight how many China's development building, how many percent every year, like these 4 5 years, because that one we might show the significant of doing this research that is will be benefit to the industry if we try to find the cost benefit analysis for this research, because if we
Dr. Lina, do you mean that the statistical data are required here to support this section is
yeah
better the construction,
yeah
how to say,
development,
constructed building, is it? The
yeah,
numbers of constructed building?
any kind of related to the development in China about the building, the construction. Yeah.
Dr. Lina 是讲那数据方面，你如果可以找出最靠近的，可能4、5年这个靠近的，说到底在你所可能中国或者跟focus 在你要研究的地区，到底就是你的叫什么建筑物或者是就是多少，就是 in terms 讲就是在数据方面就起了多少间屋子或者是桥但是你不用太专注了，你可能可以把它放在一起，全部只是要一个数据讲出有很讲呢increasing 要讲就是
Yeah, something like that. Shows like
就是
very high numbers of development building.
就是就是慢慢增加的啦，增加的那个建筑方面的东西会促使你的 West 的啦，你明白吗？我讲的六
Yeah, because here they mention here like building industry, promise, future urban, blah blah blah, right? So if they have a support with the data for that statistical data, which is more great, I think, yeah, to support. Okay, you? Okay, so I think you already mentioned, right? Okay. Liu, is it okay? You have to answer yes or no. Good or not good. It seems
Yeah,
blur.
I've tried to explain to him. I hope.
Liu, Liu, you should show okay or not okay. Wait, I think maybe because he can't see me. Wait, how to? Oh, okay. Can see me, girl. Oh, okay. Liu, you should mention okay or not okay. How to the signal? Okay or not okay. Unmute your voice. Can you mention to unmute his his microphone? You, Dr. O, can you ask him to unmute? Maybe he talk something, but I can't hear.
是需要我做一个比较吗？
啊
还是怎么说呢？
听不到你
啊，
讲
听到。
什么？如果你可以10年来有多少建筑工程这样子？
哦，好的，就是要列一个数据出来吧。
嗯。对对对但是如果你可以，你所谓的刚才比较，可能也是可以的。意思是说你要看出已经逐渐的增多了，就是比之前可能10年前这个数据已经更多了这样子。
Wait, Liu, you have to unmute. Liu, you have to unmute because just now echo. One of us have to.
嗯，好，就是比以前的更好呗，就是更多了嘛，那个数据表示
更多不是更好的意思，是更
我知道
多，
就是更多嘛，从以前的
嗯，
是一个量，然后到现在的这个是一个量，然后这个量是比以前的占比量更多
对
嘛。
对对，因为你的研究是讲着那个 West 嘛，是那个因为这些建筑，所以你会产生这个construction waste，construction waste 是什么啦？
What happened?
OK，好。
What his what he mentioned to?
That one I write to him.
Oh, the chat. Mhm.
OK，
Okay. Okay. All right. We proceed. I think that one clear. Okay. Now we go for the problem statement. Okay. Liu, I was surprised why your problem statement very little. The problem statement here I already mentioned. Okay, you look at the comment and then please revise this graph, okay, according to my comment. And also please fix some format. For example, like this one, it shouldn't be like this. Okay, the format. So I hope that you please fix it and then try to follow as much as possible the template that we provided. Okay. And the problem statement here actually you should elaborate more. Okay, the needs why we need to conduct this research. So it's still like a very little that we have to mention here about the issues for this the reason why you want to carry out this this research. So you need to highlight the problem. Okay, for example, like the construction waste volume issues or the environment issues, construction recycle practice, cost recycle practice, something like that. Okay, so I already highlight here. I hope that you can add on, and at least you can prepare up until 1.5 to 2 pages for the problem statement. Okay, is it clear? Dr. O can support maybe?
Yes, yes, yes.所以呢，Dr. Lina 讲的是这个 problem statement 是一个很重要的在这一个什么单元是非常重要的。你需要写大概1面半到2面左右，说不可以只是这样子带过罢了。所以Dr. Lina 已经跟你解释了，你应该要放。专注在那些问题在如果你看到有一些 construction waste volume，到时候你可以translate 一下啦。这个 environment issue 就是环境方面的，会造成环境方面的影响，还有可能是关系到 cost 就是那些啊、construction cost 就是你的cost 是怎样讲啊？就是关系到钱方面的然后recycle practice呃 recycle practice 就是可能就是现在他们可能你那个地方你要研究的地方，他们还不是太关注这个 recycling 这个东西，说可能也是一个问题所在。但是你不可能只是用一个句子而带过，你要你要说出来那个问题所在，然后你不可以这个是我加的不是 Dr. Lina 加的就是你需要 citation。Sorry, Dr. Lina, I add a bit. Maybe in your comment also you need to put
Yeah,
one more thing. It's about the citation, is it? Do you put anything about the citation?
no, not yet. Yeah, you can add.
For the problem statement.
Yeah,
在 problem statement 呢，你不能只是单单你自己的想法，你必须要有 citation，citation 就是像你之前做的这个东西，这个你拿到的这些资料是从谁的，就是要给一个 citation 明确吗？刘？所以就是这个 problem statement 其实一定要写好，没有的话，这个 DRB 会很多问题在这边。
yeah.
OK，嗯
Thank you, Dr. O, for that reminder. Yeah, true. The citation, I forgot. Yeah, because I expect that one he updated that one, including the citation, right? Okay.
Yeah, I actually apa tuh cakap citation baru saya nampak you punya komen tak ada citation. Macam saya cakap
True,
sendiri pula.
true. Okay, that's
Okay.
true. It's okay. All right.
Okay.
So, next is okay, Liu. I think we already discussed about the research objective and research question, but I just wonder why he's still unable to list out the research objective, and it's only 2. He's supposed to have 3, and I already draft, so I hope that he can fill up according to our previous comment. And the meeting today, he's supposed to propose us research objective 3, but I never see here. Where is it? So I will open the previous comment, but Dr. O, you may explain to him about this issue first.
Dr. Lina 看到你写的这个 research question 跟 research objective 就是你的问题跟你的目的，说他觉得你应该写在这样的格式，说他已经帮你准备好了，你只需要把那个你的目的放在那个 research objective 目的那一边，跟你的那个研究问题放在那问题那边跟着他的格式。只是问题是，他还在等你的第3个 objective 你有什么要加的吗？ 因为上次第一个、第二个已经很好了，只是要待改进，但是第三的还没有叫什么还没有写出来，说你有什么要讲的嘛？那个第三个 objective 第三个。I have asked Liu to actually explain if he has already find his
So,
objective three, but yeah,
so
but maybe he's still thinking what is that about.
oh, okay. So maybe wait, where is it just now? This paper. Wait, wait. Okay. Where is it? His. It is a previous one. Okay, Liu, do you want to say something about your research objective? Mm. Hmm? He didn't. He want to respond or not? Before I prepare.
Dr. Dr. Lina 是问那个research objective three 你已经准备了没有？他在等，看你已经准备了吗？然后来讨论一下。
Ah. What happened, Liu? Where is your research objective number 3? Because here is only research.
我还没准备好，那个下次吧，这个之前现在在改那个东改，现在前面的在那，对，所以还没有，下次我把它拿出来吧，我下次我做出来吧。
Mel.
Yeah, not ready yet, Dr. Lina. You can understand too,
Yeah, I understand Mel. All
He's
right.
still thinking.
Okay. All right. It's like this, Liu. Okay, now based on our previous meeting, okay, we already tried to decide to have this research objective, correct? First, to identify the implementation. These are very clear that we already highlight before. So it's just like I already help you to make it in your thesis here, this statement. So just you have to transfer this statement to here. I mean here, okay? And the research question should be aligned with the research objective. You got it, Liu? So just copy this one. It's not like this one is seems like you don't have to brief in this way. Otherwise you have to seems like a lot of objective to you don't have to mention the details here like this one. And also this one is different, totally different also. What we already discussed previously. It's not similar, right? You can see the statement is not similar to this one.
Okay, so Dr. Lina, do you think that the research objective in your comments in the revision tool is good enough? If not, if it is good enough, we just copy paste to there lah. I mean, directly copy paste to make it fix at this moment.
Yeah, at this moment.
Yeah, maybe he will be more understand
Yeah,
and no need to write the description elaboration.
yeah, that's what I want him to revise his part. This one because he come up with like this statement. That's why I just wonder why, because we already discussed before this. So can you brief to him to just refer to the previous command and please add on according to what I already prepared this
Are
one?
you going to send this file to him? This the red text?
Yeah, this one, yes, I will. This one
You will, right? Why not we just since it's already here, we just copy paste for him so that he will not come up with another version.
Yeah, and let him know that I'm copying
Ah,
and also please use this template and improve this template as well.
mm. OK，所以 Dr. Lina 已经对于这个 Objective 1跟2之前的那个我们的见面的时候，他已经觉得Objective 1、2是可行的，所以我们就直接把它放在你的就是你的这个 section 里面，所以就到时候如果我们做不到，我们才稍微改一改。就现在就在等这个Research Objective 第3个啦。所以它其实是不需要多余的解释的，它就是直接讲这是我们的目标第1、第2、第3这样子，达到达不到，就是到时候我们再看在你的别的单元里面。六，你明白吗？说这些多余的，比如讲你有很多 bullet form 是不需要写的。
Okay, clear, Liu?
嗯，我看看第3个的话，就是说我们要达到的目的呗。
对，要很明确的。
OK，
嗯。
好吧。
Okay,
我知道。
Liu. So, Liu, you have
然后 Dr. Lina 有讲他看到那个格式还是不大正确啦，到时候溜尽量看回去那个格式跟他咯，跟 UIDM 的格式走。OK，
对，我这个格式的话是这样的，我的格式就是按照之前那个李老师给我的那篇论文的直接改的呀，
嗯
就是那个还
啊
是不太对吗？
Dr. Lina dia cakap template ini dia ikut sebulat, mana yang tak betul tu boleh highlight sekali lagi.
cover.
他讲这边都跟那个 template 之前不一样。
是因为软件之间跳软件了，所以不一样吗？
嗯
And this one also? Why is it in blue? It must have.
Dr. Lina, you already opened the template, is it? Because he don't know why it's different. Dr. Lina, you are not in Malaysia, no? You mute.
Oh no, I'm not in Malaysia.
So what time is that now?
Is 2 p.m.
Hmm.
Luckily. Luckily, it's not like too late and too early. Wait, what is it? The name of the template last time I gave it. Now I confused with that. This is template. UITM version. Okay, I think this one. Okay, I
You can
show.
always down in the group also.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me show again.
Later we can always go back to search.
Okay, wait. Let me share. This one. Can everyone see it? Totally different, right?
Yeah, totally different.
Liu,
Uh,
look at here.
Yeah，
他在 Dr. Lina 在说你那个格式，他
嗯，
觉得完全是不一样的。
是不一样。老师，你看一下你的微信，我发了一篇，就是原先那个丽娜老师发给我的这个论文吧，能按这个来的，你看对吗？是按这个吗？
我再开这，等一下
你在开
对呀，
车啊？
对呀，现在你看这那个 screen Dr. Lina 在给你看的就是这个。
对啊，
对呀，对呀，
就是我发给这个，对啊。
啊， 但是你现在给 Dr. Lina 的都不一样啊。
嗯，
Look at here. Here also different.
我
Compare
知
that
道。
one. You see? It's not similar.
哦，OK，我
This
知
one.
道了。好的。
Uh, I don't know. Uh, I I don't know that he. I think the same template, but I'm not sure why he totally different. So because it's better for you to follow exactly the template, otherwise you are be difficult later on to revise again and again. So I hope the next draft will be really almost I mean exactly like the template. It's just like you have to this one ignore first. I will not check this part because this one is the last later on. Okay, for the proposal you don't have to add this one, but at least you follow the template. So it'll be easy for your preparation for the final thesis as well.
嗯
Okay.
，OK，所以 Dr. Lina，可能你下一次要交给 Dr. Lina 的就要再检查一下啦，是不是已经跟这个格式一样了？嗯
好的，好的，我知道了。
嗯，好的，
这个格式的话，我相信会，会调好的。
好好
我直接在
啊，
直接把它复制到那篇文章里面嘛，然后它的那个格式应该就刷出来应该就一样。
Okay, Doctor, or you unmute maybe?
明白明白。So, Dr. Lina, Liu is already understand. Okay, you try again 啦。
Mm. Try again. It seems like difficult to follow the template because do you know? Okay, I just want you to tell him that I have experience with my students. Okay, my two students have to read the RP because of the format. So the panel really strict on the format first. They will look at the format first, then the content. So
understand。Dr. Lina 呢，其实是想告诉你，他的两个学生都必须要再重新就是在报名过那个 DRB。所以你这次是准备给 DRB 嘛，对不对？但是他的两个学生被逼要再重新去报名过那个 DRB，就是因为这个他不符合这个格式。所以我们不想要卡在这边，所以就要关注一下啦，这个格式的问题。
all right, thank you, Dr. Oh, I hope that he clear. So if look at here also, yeah, totally different, right? Okay. What else? Let me check. Oh, sorry. I think this one also different. Let me check the content here. This one, it should be not italic. And this one must be chapter 1 and then space introduction like this. Even the font size has been different. Not sure.
Okay, let me write down this comment. Okay, later I will post in the chat room. Okay.
Okay. I also will mention here. Okay. Okay. So I think clear about the format. I think he will improve. Okay, next is okay. This one's done. All right. So next is okay. I don't want to check this one again until he finalize. Okay, this one. All right. So for the introduction, okay, yeah, this one also. You see, I don't know. Maybe he have a save different file or what. I'm not sure what happened to the format. So literature review here, I look at here like suddenly he have like statement like little by little, you know, like one paragraph, not even discuss a lot here. Okay, so what I'm trying to him to improve is to make sure that first for the introduction here, he might discuss about the overview of this research and narrow down to the subtopic that relevant to this research. For example, if he already have the subtopic, so for the introduction, he will highlight what is the subtopic, and first he have to, I suppose he have to try to deliver, I mean, brief about the construction industry scenario on circular economy, because the construction recycle implementation is related to the circular economy. Maybe he have to brief this one and then have the subtopic like the whatever that the previous one that his story, but the first chapter is very I mean not that detailed. So during the LR he will brief more, the one that I asked him to find the statistic and so on. So here he will discuss more detail about what is the construction development status in China and the issue and so on. Okay, so I want him to improve this part up until here. Okay, for this introduction one. Is it okay, Dr. O?
Do you want him, Liu, to combine all the subsection into just, I mean, the content under 2.1 only? I mean, take it out the 2.1.1, 2.1.2, and so on.
Yeah, yeah, it's better. But this one, he might want to discuss, but about this one, but it's like in the same topic. Maybe one subtopic about all this thing, because it seems like not organized. So I want him to try to, because this one suddenly about construction demolition debris. It's just like why he have to discuss about this one suddenly. It's better for him to being broad first and narrow. That's what I'm trying to him to describe. Have to reorganize. Yeah, this one have to reorganize, not started like this one directly. How? Want to inform him? Revise.
So these are the comments here that you write to him is only for 2.1, is it? You mute.
Oh, okay, sorry. Actually here I want to mention that first you have to give the overview, and then actually from the introduction he can also brief what he want to elaborate the subtopic, correct? So that's what I want him to provide here, so that he will start with one topic, one subtopic about this one maybe, and sorry, about the construction development status as a one topic, and maybe they can combine all these things under that things, the status and so on. And this one is okay. Oh, sorry. So this one can be 2.2. So maybe they have 2.1, or this one, I think introduction here 2.1. So 2.1 introduction, 2.2, 2.1. So become 2.2. It's just like I want him to reorganize this part. I don't know how, but it seems like not clear here. This one.
I think this construction debris construction waste will be part under 2.2, is it? Because 2.2 is also construction waste.
Yeah, true. Something like that. I want him to reorganize. So I'm not
Right?
sure. Yeah, true. Hello? Hello, hello. You clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, correct. So that's why I want him
Mm,
reorganized. I don't know what he trying to deliver, but like I said, the rule of thumb is from broad to narrow. So I hope that he clear that
mm.
way because this one is he feel free how he want to structure the content. It's just like don't jump right like this one. Like I mentioned here, he should first. I think I mentioned here narrow down right. Overview first and then narrow down. Mm, something like that. How is it, Doctor O? Can you explain to him? I'm not sure. Revive.
OK OK，六多特丽娜的想法是，如果你要写一个就是你的这一段的话，我们平常是没有把这样小段就当成是一个，就会放在一个叫什么题目底下，说你必须要写比较深入一点点。但是现在你又只是在二点一只是 introduction，就是只是想要告诉大家比较就是啊、比较普遍的想法，就是没有太专注在你想要讲的东西。所以他给你一个方法，就是你尽量先在这个 literature review，在这个单元二，到底你是要表达出什么东西？说这些他已经给你一些comments 方法，你可以从他的 comments 看起啦，就是从比较普遍的慢慢写到进入你的研究啊研究的题目里面，你明白吗？就是从就是比较普遍的啊就是 panel 需要知道的东西，然后慢慢的写进比较进入主题你能明白吗？然后也不可以有这样子小小的一段这样子。如果你觉得
呃，
呀，
不好意思，那
如果
我把这几段把它合在就是2.1后面的小点合在一起了，因为这个主要就是把它拆分成，它有这一些是可以属于那个回收的那些会产生回收的那些建筑垃圾能使用的那些。
因为德丽娜还是看这个2.1.1到2.1.6他们的关系是什么？
他们其实是
是不是他还是
一个东西，
把这个
就是想表明，它都是建筑垃圾，和建筑垃圾就是可以产生这些，
？OK，我
它是
明白。
属于建筑垃圾的一种。
嗯，所以你就要更专注一点点，但是不是放在2.1我建议你放在可能2.2，就是建筑垃圾的可能的种类，你是要讲这样子吗？
嗯
说那种类方面，你就要更详细的讲哪一种类，所以可能你的2.2将会是就是 type of construction waste，类似这样子。type of construction waste 就是它的种类咯。然后在那边，在2.2里面，你才慢慢的写出来你可以从可能你的，比如你其中一个你要讲什么东西，哪一个种类，就好像 computer equipment 是从那种电子垃圾是吗？但是又
嗯，
不是电子垃圾是你的建筑垃圾吗？
做一个分类嘛，就是比如说，像第一点，它是那个建筑垃圾；第二个，他说的是在施工过程中、挖掘过程中产生的，然后还有结构上的，然后还有一些它的那个碎片然后一些不可以回收的那个，就像2.1.5一样嘛，就是一些碎片的垃圾。
我明白我明白那些电子垃圾是可以回收的，但是现在你要非常小心了，因为你是在讲这建筑垃圾。
我没有说
嗯
电子垃圾，说的是碎片，就是那些不能回
嗯
收的。哪一些是，比如说，有一些东西是能回收的，有些东西是不能回收的。
嗯，它会帮助到你的
这只是把它一
你
个举
的
例，把它一个
研究吗？
分类吧。
Is it okay?
所以德丽娜的想法就是她看不到你到底要带出什么，所以你这个地方这样多小小的资料，其实是要讲建筑垃圾的种类，或者是能回收还是不能回收的种类，你明白吗？你一定要非常了解你自己要带出什么东西。
嗯
Dr. Lina, actually, from the discussion with Liu, he actually want to, yeah, I think he also have I mean, many thoughts on what to write on that part of section, but he detailed like 2.1.1, 2.1.2, 2.1.3. Actually, he mentioned about the construction waste, type of construction waste, and also type of waste that maybe need to be how to say it could be categorized, whether can be recycled or not recycled. So I told him that he need to really look into what he want to write lah about this section.
Okay. Yes, it's what he what okay.
Whether he want to focus on type of construction waste or how to
Oh, okay. Dr. Oh, yes, I'm clear what he want to do. Okay, it's just like maybe this one will be one subtopic. I mean all of this, the one that he want to mention about the types of construction waste. And the introduction part, like I said, is better for him to give the overview. What is the scenario of this research, and in this introduction also he can highlight the subtopic that he want to discuss the following. I mean the followed. I mean the next subtopic. You got what I mean? Like for example, like okay, in this chapter 2, he will discuss about important of the type of construction waste, the importance of recycling, waste management. This one is okay. The rest is okay except this part. It looks like not. It's like missing this part. That's why I asked him to revise this part only. You got what I mean? Because this one he include 1.11. It should be another one subtopic, main subtopic.
Okay, understand. Means that 2.2 onwards, there is no problem. So Dr. Lina suggests that the 2.1.1, instead of 2.1.1, maybe he create another 2.2 for, yeah, 2.2 type of construction waste.
Yeah. So
And then the 2.1 to elaborate more about a general scenario.
yes. So he aware of it. You want to translate?
Your line is not that good.
The line's not good. Okay, so Doctor, do you want to translate? Is it because the line is not good? What happened? Oh, okay. I think her line is not good. We wait until Dr. O come back. So how's the weather in China, Liu? Is it hot or cold?
hot very hot.
How much is the temperature? The temperature.
Uh, the 1775. This one. 25 to 28.
Not that hot.
No. 18.5.
Oh, okay. All right.
25.
All right, Dr. O, are you come back?
Sorry, my line is no good.
Where are you? In at home.
Yeah, but raining here.
Oh, I see. I think
Mm-mm.
here also cloudy actually in my place.
Uh-huh. Uh.
I thought it's
So, uh, you already in where?
oh, okay. Just now, let me explain the overall chapter 2 so that you get the
Mm,
idea actually which part that he have to organize about the chapter 2. Okay? So I
mm,
think you can
mm,
summarize up and ask him what he has to get done. Okay, the chapter 2, I found it is fine what he did. He gave already a lot of information relevant to the research topic. For example, like this one. That's why I say, okay, this part.
mm,
And this also 2.3, he come up with the global trends, okay, about the consumption, which is okay. And if he can add on the statistic, it's better. Okay, so this part. And also this also good, which is he have the successful case study that he mentioned
mm,
based on the country, which is good. And here I saw that it's only the what the statement. I believe this case study they have a photo or diagram or anything that he can also include actually some of it. So I
mm,
believe they have. So for case study 1, 2, 3, I think it's good. He have this thing. And then it's just like the format thing here. I saw that. Yeah, the format I think like this one. I think Lari, I don't know. Okay. And then he talk about the waste recycling policy in Beijing, which is good also. Okay. And then the challenges in construction waste is okay. Yeah, a lot of input actually. And the previous research also have it just like for the previous research and also the research gap. Where is it? He have all the information about the research previous works and the research gap. I hope that under the research gap he can make it tabulate in a table. For
mm.
example, let me show. Is it can see the screen? Wait, eh. Hmm. Where is it? Oh, not this one. Not this one. Eh? Wait, eh. Can see the overall screen, right? Oh, okay. For example, like this one, he can come out like the previous study. Can see or not? Like a tabulate like this, so that after whatever he discussed about the previous research, under the research gap, he can come up with a tabulate like this, so that he can highlight the main part of the previous research, then why we need this research to be done. For example, okay,
Sorry, Dr. Lina, the one that you have shown, the table is from other works, is it?
yeah, this one example.
Do you want to snap it, a figure, just pass to him?
Example. Is it like this? Can or not? Wait,
try.
let me check. And then put it here in the
In his comment.
comment can I? Okay, wait, I try.
No. Give in the text lah. The text.
Is it? I think maybe can. Is it possible or not? Cannot or cannot? Here lah, right? Insert. Why they cannot insert? Oh, okay. I save this one first. Okay. Desktop. Yeah. Something like that. Example, I mentioned this one example. Just example. Oh. How? Okay, wait. Comment. Example. He can come up with any kind of table, I think. Yeah, it's not limit to this kind of table. Example of research gap table. Okay. I think for chapter 2, that's all that my comment that he have to improve. Yeah, that's it. It's quite comprehensive already. It's just like we need to improvise a little bit at the beginning and also at the end part. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, you want me to tell him?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Dr. Lina, 觉得你的 单元2已经写到很不错了的，只是就是在刚才我们一起讨论那个2.那边，就是2.1太多那个小小的段2.1.1那些，所以那些2.1.1、2.1.2那些小段的，就Dr. Lina 就觉得你把它放进新的section 会比较好，比如 section 2.2，然后再给一个比较明确的title，OK，然后那个2.1现在如果你把2.1.1拿掉，2.1就显得太少了，所以他建议你就多讲一些现在就是在中国你就是什么现象啦，关于到你这个你的研究方面的，所以就是就是很广的来诉说一下现在你的在中国的现象了，他也是给了你一些 example 啦，OK，所以过后呢，他也在一些他的comments 里面，他讲你必须要加一些照片，因为你给了一些这什么一些 case study，就是你的一些什么case study 是这样讲啊，如果啦 case study Chinese
研究技术吗？就是研究的那个一个过程嘛，不是他那个
案例，你的案例
使用的一个过程嘛。
你给了几个案例，对不对？
嗯
所以他觉得你那些案例，你如果可以给一些照片的话，会更好。他可以看到那些照片，说你可以找一些照片来放进去那个案例那边咯。OK，然后还有一些statistic 就是刚才我们讲的，等一下让我找出，就是统计就是一些数据，如果你可以加在某一些地方的话，可能会更好啦。就不是只是用言语讲，但是它有一些数据来就是表达啦。OK，然后最后的就是在那个 research gap，因为你已经写得很不错了，只是在那 research gap 那边，朵德丽娜刚才放了一个 table 给你，对不对？这个 table，所以他想你把它放在这种格式就看到比较明确一点，你的 research gap 是在哪里？所以大致上这 chapter 2就是这样子。你有什么问题吗？
Okay, Liu.
OK OK，那我们就继续了，
Any
来吧，
comment
看第三章吧。
what he asked?
No no question。
Actually not, no question.
Okay. Next. Okay, so for the chapter 3, okay. Um this one, okay, this one we missing because your research objective not aligned yet and you didn't prepare the research flowchart like I request previously. Okay, so without the proper research flowchart, I cannot comment on all the detail about your description here. I have to see your research flowchart first. The one that you show me is too general, which is not as what we discussed. Wait, is it my connection is unstable?
I can hear you very clear.
Okay, good. All right. So if you look at his research flow chart, here is it's still blur. I mean, still not get into the direction like what I already give example. I think I gave the diagram example. It's not exactly like what we have to do. So once,
Mm.
okay, so research project still pending until you try to propose as the research objective number 3. Okay, next coming meeting. I hope that you have a idea what is your research objective number 3 so that I can guide you, and I will comment on your proposal on the research objective 3, and you can work on the research flowchart. Without that, these 3 confirmed research objective, you won't be able to come out except for the 2 research objective you can draw. First, you can propose first. Okay, so that one's still missing. And this one is looks like a causal loop diagram. How did you get this one? Can you tell him first?
Dr. Lina 想问你，现在他在看着的这个 flow chart 啊，是你从哪里拿来的？
Okay. So this one, where did he get it?
I'm asking him. I think he is about to answer
Oh,
for
okay.
you.
自己画的，
这个有很多线的
是画的很烂是吗？自己画的，
啊，对，你从哪里拿来的呢？
不是自己画的，就是比较乱。
哦，啊dia buat sendiri ya, Dr. Lina?
Huh? Really?
Wah,
How did you
ah,
get this causal loop diagram? What is your references?
可以解释一点点吗？到底你是要讲述什么东西？saya suruh dia explain a bit. 嗯
Yes, please. Yes, please, Liu. Explain, then Dr. O will listen to you.
I try, I hope I can explain.
You want to talk or not?
六啊，我们在等着
I
你
mean,
跟我们解释你是画这个怎样画出这么啊这么 complete 的 flow chart。
这个现在是画的，可以用吗？
就是他想要你解释一下然后来看能不能用。
呃，please。 就是怎么说呢，就是想到了，然后查论文，查这个，然后就补一点进去。嗯，
可能我们开大一点点，你跟我们解释一点点啦。现在太多东西吗？对不对？Dr. Lina, can you zoom in one part? Maybe he can explain from there. Because uh, zoom a bit bigger in one part maybe.
Oh, they run away. Haha. When I try to
Okay.
zoom, yes, maybe I tried to zoom
Uh,
from here. Let me check. How to zoom here? It's run away like this.
mm,
Which one you want?
okay, I think this is okay. So Liu, 如果你要解释一点点某一些你是怎样做出来的。
等一下，稍微等一下，我等子我再给你说一下我。
好好好，
嗯，
Dr. Lina dia suruh tunggu sebentar. Wait.
Okay. Because you know, Doctor Wu, wait, I try to unmute him first. Okay.
Yes.
This one, the one that he showed me, this is a causal loop diagram. This one for the
Mm-mm,
system dynamic approach, you know.
mm-mm.
So I was just wonder how he can come up with this thing. Is there any other references or what? Because this thing you need
It
to
seems like a results, is it?
um
哦，
it's a process to get
It's a
the
process.
yeah,
Mhm.
it's a process. One of the process to come up with the policy.
嗯，
嗯
现在要说吗？就是这个表是吗？
可以。
嗯，就是之前不是讨论说那个回收和再利用嘛，可能就是想从这一方面开始说，开始着手的。首先是最开始是节省的那个东西，节省的材料或者节省的那个成本也好，节省的一些为了达到目的嘛，节省的，然后从哪一方面，比如说它的材料的一个运输的，或者是一个使用的，或者是一个废物的那个回收的，各个方面吧。所以就你可以看到是最开始的这个呃呃，就是从那个 research，对，然后就是
我们其
采购的，
实要从哪里读起呀？
从那个打虚线的那个空方，从那个打虚线那个空方，那个是最开始嘛，那个打虚
就是那个
线那个空方，那个左上角那两
四
个，
方格那边呐、四方格
对对对，
那边吗？
左上角那两个，
啊，哈哈。
对，
Dr. Lina dia mentions kena baca dari itu rectangle recycling dengan reuse. Mula dari sana.
Okay, so what is the purpose he come up with this? I just want to know. And why he use all the system dynamic? Does he knows this causal loop diagram?
Dr. Lina 问你为什么要用这样的方式表达呢？
就是它是一个循序的一个过程嘛，就是从刚开始，最开始它不是嗯表示的就是一开始我们讨论的嘛，要把那个材料的回收和再利用怎么回收怎么利用，然后来达到一个节约的那个结论嘛，节约的东西嘛。
嗯，OK.
对，
So
然后
sebenarnya dia
根
adalah
据我的
mengikut komen
想讨
yang
论的，然后想了个想法做出来了。
mm,
对，
mm, mm. Mungkin ini adalah idea dia setelah berbincang dengan Dr. Lina sebab ini adalah proses-proses ke arah penjimatan. That is why jika tengok dari recycling and reuse, dia akan mula cakap apa-apa cara dia dan lead to the, I mean total goals, I mean overall goals. I think is about the total cost kat mana？哪里是最后一个Liu是不是这个 total cost waste management？
Unmute Liu.
So basically dia macam nak tunjuk lah lepas berbincang dengan Dr. Lina tu dia rasa ini adalah processes yang akan ke arah apa tu mencapai dia punya goal.
Okay.
Is that okay for him to show this or how?
No, it's like a totally okay, I see that if he can come out like this, meaning that he can use a system dynamic modeling to as his research objective number 3. That's what I can see. When he proposed like this, it looks like to achieve his research objective number 3, which is he can come up with the modeling for the cost benefit analysis. Using system dynamic. So if he want to use that, he have to use a software Vensim or other software is Amos. These two software that he need to use in order to come up with the system dynamic modeling. And the purpose
Can
of
you put in the chat box the software?
okay, wait there. I put here too. Comment. Okay. Okay.
那个胡老师，
Because
我才发现，说的没语音了，语音又没了。胡老师，我发了一个那个图，中文给到你那个微信上面，你可以看一下。
OK，我看。
对，因为我这个电脑没有办法用那个 WhatsApp，所以我电脑上面，其实我用这个 Zoom 这个会议也是要发传出去，就比较麻烦，所以我要切来切去。
因为 Dr. Lina 看到这个东西，他觉得
它的开头嘛，开头
是不是
那个右上角那里，然后结尾的话就是那个成本效益，这个最下面的中间那个地方。
累计废物成本是
对，
最后的
累计废物成本下面那个地方，废物管理成本效益那个地方，对。
OK，明白。这样那个累计废物成本是没有去这个废物管理的总体效益，还是有，我没有看清楚。
就是那个废物的管理成本，就是它能达到的那个效果。
OK，其实Dr. Lina，
I paste in the. Is it okay? This one for this. Here's my comment for the this one.
Dr. Lina, it's a bit small for me. OK，Liu 他 why do come OK，所以其实Dr. Lina 是看到你已经做出这样子的，就好像一个他讲这个东西叫做 dynamic modeling。OK，我不知道怎样翻译成中文，等一下我们一起找一下。OK，因为你过后要做的是 cost benefit analysis，他讲如果你是有打算要做这个东西在你的研究里面，它可以是你的 第三个 objective，就是你要达到的目的。OK，但是问题是过后你需要用几种 software，它已经那边写了 AMOS
呃
VNSIM 这个
或者
software
是说
可以
这个
帮你
太复杂了是吗？
不是的，我觉得我们两个都看到你好像有一些想法，所以我们在想，我们在考虑是不是可以把这个变成你的第三个research objective。Dr. Lina means that you are considering this maybe your Liu punya research objective number three, right?
Yes, because I was surprised that he can come up with this thing because
Yeah, me too.
if he can come up with this kind of closed loop diagram, is already a process come up with the system dynamic modeling, which is one part of the new things. I mean the novelty for the research already, you know?
That's why I'm looking at this like a result instead of a
Yeah,
methodology.
yeah.
Uh,
Actually this one is still draft, like that's why they call
mm,
causal loop diagram. So actually this
mm, mm,
input will be used for him to collect a
mm,
data for number. Actually this itemize is actually
mm, mm,
research objective number one. This
mm, mm,
item to
mm, mm,
identify
mm, mm,
what is the
mm, mm,
element or factors that
mm.
that can what effect the benefit cost analysis, something like that. And then there is
Why not, Dr. Lina? Why not? Let's ask him to try searching the AMOS and the software that you have mentioned, and
yes,
see whether he
yes,
can get the software. And then, is there any other inputs from the research objective one and two that can run this, Dr. Lina?
yeah.
Do he
That's
need to find more other things?
I think he have to, if how it's like a backwards, so actually he
Mm-mm,
can actually he already in the middle, so he
mm-mm,
achieve. Actually, the objective number one is the item, this one, and
mm-mm,
objective number two is this one, the causal loop diagram, and
mm-mm,
objective number three will
mm-mm,
be the application that he used to analyze using the Amos and Vensim, which is he have to put all the equation related to this input after he collect a data like a survey and also questionnaire. So he
mm-mm.
will come up with the final system dynamic modeling. So this one is like a
Is that
research.
enough duration? Is that need a long duration to use this software modeling, or
If
how?
if he already have this idea, it should be enough. But I don't know. He knows or know what he's doing. That's another issues. So if he knows what is the system dynamic modeling, it's easy. But if he's still like study, I don't know how to. But how he master, right? So he have 2 years, right? I forgot. 2 years or 2.5, Doctor?
2 years. 2 years.
I think 2 years.
Research by research, is it?
Yeah, by research.
By research, 2 years.
2 years. 2 years, right? Mm.
Mm-mm.
I think 2 years by coursework and research 2.5, I think, right?
Mm,
If
I I think it's 2 years.
How about coursework then?
I think there is nothing about I mean, to compare the coursework and the research.
You mean coursework the same period with the research? By research.
As long as they have taken all the subject in the coursework, I think it's okay. They doesn't need to meet
Oh,
uh any,
I'm not sure. I have to convert. If 2.5, I think enough, but 2 years, I'm not sure. Is he now at, I think he registered on March. Can you ask him, is it he's on March? I just,
Liu，你是不是3月的时候进来的呀？
是学校吗？
啊，对对对，
3月还是4月？
啊，ya betul, Dr. Lina。所以因为我们在讨论着这个，如果你要做这个东西出来，会不会很消耗时间？呃，然后你到底明不明白如果你已经有了一些想法，在这个 dynamic modeling，你知道这个是什么东西的话，可能会比较快。如果你刚刚才要去学，可能会时间方面可能要看你的学的进度。Saya beritahu dia, Dr. Lina, it may take times lah, if you want to
Okay.
complete this.
Yeah. I think I let me discuss with my other partner that who expert on the system dynamic modeling. I will ask him, is it because this level usually for the PhD? So I want to
Mm-mm,
ask him either enough for him to get the causal loop diagram as a final result for the master research, then
mm-mm,
it will be enough him to come out like this one is like a expected outcome already.
mm,
So he yeah, I think I think it works in that way. I will ask him first. I will
mm-mm,
get back to him. Uh, I will get him to get back to him in the WhatsApp group, okay? Once I finalize. But all this while, what he have to do is to Doctor Oh, yeah, I have to get the feedback first, right? To at least he once I confirm, then it can be his research objective number 3, correct? Hmm.
correct.
Mm,
I
mm.
mean,
Okay.
if we are going into that, I think it will be good lah. At least we have firm the direction.
Yeah. Okay. So, can we hold for the chapter number 3 and then ask him to improvise chapter number 2 only for this moment.
Mm,
So,
okay.
so I think chapter number 2 and also the template so that the format
Mm,
so that
mm,
next second week we can
mm,
finalize him the chapter number 3. Yeah. And then he can
mm.
revise chapter number 1 accordingly after the next 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay?
Mm. Can I tell him that means that this figure two is being considered as a research objective, but need to confirm yet to what extent
Yeah.
of this research objective 3 need to be done. Then we will discuss chapter 3 in the next meeting. Is that okay
Yes.
for me to tell him like this?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay. Mm,
and you will tell him that he need to work on the template format and also
mm,
the
mm.
chapter number.
Chapter 2.
Yeah.
Mm, mm. Okay.
The rest
Uh,
is just copy as is first, then revise after that the chapter 1 and chapter number 3. It's okay to copy in the template. You just like have to revise again after next week's. Yeah. After finalize. Mm.
其实 Dr. Lina 是很惊讶的，看到你可以做出这个。其实我也是，这个 Figure Two，因为我们看到这 Figure Two 就感觉是它其实不是 methodology，它其实是一个 result 来的。但是当然这是只是一个初步的，因为你还没有做出什么什么研究，还没有实行它，但是这是初步的。所以他现在呢将会考虑这一个 Figure Two 可能会是你的 Research Objective Number Three 第3个。但是到底要做到哪一个程度呢？他需要再去问一些他的朋友们，因为可能如果要做到很完整的话，可能都需要蛮久的时间，所以他要去讨论一下这个东西。OK，所以他这个 Chapter Three 这个第3个单元，可能你是要缓一缓。OK，所以你专注在把第1个单元跟第2个单元把它整理好先。所以比如他讲刚才之前讲的那个format， 那个 template 一定要用这个 UITM 的，然后还有刚才所讲的那个Chapter 2的，等一下我也会写下来给你因为怕我们都忘记了可以吗？可以了解吗，刘？OK，
好的，
OK，Dr. Lina，silakan.
All right. Okay. Thank you. So I think that's all for this week. So we will meet again next 2 weeks, and also I will follow up in the WhatsApp if is there any other I already confirm. I will update about this diagram and also his research objective and research um research direction. Okay. So at the moment he have to improve the format template and also chapter 2. That's all. Okay, so I think that's all for this meeting. You can inform him that's all I think. Betul.
所以其实就这样了2个礼拜过后将会再 set 多一个见面啦，到时候我们就会看讨论今天就是还没有做到的 Chapter 3跟你已经做了的 Chapter 1 and 2，OK 吗？
Okay, Liu.
可以2个星期后是吗？
对，2个星期后。
2个星期后，我看一下，嗯在10月5号，是这样吗？
5th of October，
Yes, the same time.
Thursday or Thursday
Today is what?
Today is Thursday in Malaysia.
10月5号刚好是这边刚好在放假，那就
Kevin,
10月5号吧，反正我也有时间。
what happened?
几时刘我听不清楚。
10月5号，
10
可以的。
月5号。
10月5号。
10月5号I
对
think Liu mentions 5th of October is okay. If Dr. Lina okay 啦。
We make it Friday ke Dr. You okay Friday or Thursday?
6号呢能吗刘？6号拜五。
可以。
boleh juga dia boleh. Okay.
You mean Friday?
6th of October.
Okay, 5th.
6.
Oh,
Number
okay.
6.
Okay, so
6.
Friday. Okay, Friday at 8 o'clock p.m. Okay, Malaysian time.
Okay.
Right. So I will give this review paper and also the template again.
I will put a summary of today's discussion in the chat room soon, but in English. If Liu cannot understand, then I will translate it to Chinese.
Okay, if you put in the chat, I will copy and then I put in the at the first page of this review template. I think can.
Okay. So I'm tidying up the summary. Soon maybe give me another 2 minutes.
You mean in the WhatsApp group?
In the WhatsApp group.
胡老师，
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
等一下，胡老师，
Okay, bye everyone. Thank you. Why?
胡老师还在吗？
What happened?
He's talking to somebody, but I cannot hear the discussion. Conversation well.
胡老师，
Okay, Liu, take care. Bye. That's all.
刘，你好像要讲话是吗？刘
对，我要说，
Bye.
就是
别了，cakap
能
sikit.
Okay.
能让丽娜老师把这个今天的这个他在改的这个能发给我吗？
一定没问题的。Dr. Lina, he is requesting the comments that you put in this document to
Yes,
him.
I giving it. Yeah, in the WhatsApp.
他会放在 WhatsApp 那边。
After you summary, I will add on here and then I
Okay, you wait me 2 minutes 啊。
好的，那我现在就是等前面2张改了，然后按那个模板的格式把它再完善一下。然后第3张的话就是下个星期，不对，10月6号的话，看一下给丽娜老师问一下他的朋友和周边的人，然后看一下我第3张怎么写，是这样吗？
对，等下我会把今天所讨论的东西写下来在 WhatsApp 那边，但是是在英文啊，我会写在英文，因为比较快。
好的，好的，没问题，你写英文我可以翻译的。
OK，so 2个礼拜后见。
好，2个礼拜好。丽娜老师是在
OK，
国外吗？
拜。
他不在马来西亚吗？
德格丽娜在国外。
哦，又出国学习。
Liu is asking where are you?
Oh,
But I have to leave first. You all continue so that I can do the 2 minutes write out summary. Okay, bye, Dr.
thank
Lina.
you. Bye, Dr. Wong. I'm in Bosnia, Liu.
好，
Okay, so see you again, okay? Take care.
好，see
Bye.
you，
Okay, bye.
拜。
Bye. Okay, bye.